Hi, I'm Rian, the team manager of Team Ireland. Welcome back to the series where I'm going to take you through how to build an entry class F1 schools car in OnShape. If you haven't already, go back to watch the first video where I take you through the basics of OnShape and how to import the no-go zone into a file. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to build the main body of the car. So firstly, we need to split our car in half. This is done by going to the back of our car and using the sketch tool, which can also be selected by doing Shift S, and using the N key to swivel the camera, and then we can use the V key to get a corner rectangle. We want to hover over this origin, which is the center point of the CO2 cartridge holder, and so that we get the dashed line, and then we want to just click and drag over half the car. So then we can go to the extrude tool, which is Shift E, and then we're going to go to the remove function. So the remove function removes the car where our sketch is. So we're just going to go, instead of blind, we're going to go through all and then merge with all. So as you can see, it's removed half of our car, and then if we toggle this bar, we'll show the final product, which is half our car. So by splitting the car in half, we can model half the car and mirror it so that it's exactly symmetrical. So now we're going to get on to making the body of our car. So I'm making the body. We're basically going to have this shape, and we're going to have another shape that's pretty similar over here. And then we're going to be able to use a 3D feature called loft to just merge them both in a smooth sweep. So first we're going to sketch onto this plane over here, Shift S, and then enter to swivel the camera. So I'm just going to rotate it. So as you can see, this is a rectangle with an arc on top of it. So we're just going to do that over here. So I'm going to use the arc, and I'm going to use the 3-point arc. So just basically go over here and then just select a nice arc, and then just use the line like this and just fill it in. So then I'm just going to use the tangent tool to make the arc tangent, to make this arc tangent to this line like that. So now it's all smooth. We're just going to click the tick, and we're going to use the loft feature, which is over here. So we're just going to select this plane and select this sketch. So then obviously what's going on is whenever the letters are red at the top, it means something's not confirmed, or there's an error. So in this case, it can't confirm the loft direction. So we're just going to use match connections just to show which connections going where. And as you can see, once we've determined which connections go where, we're left with a nice smooth join. Just going to toggle this bar all the way up. As you can see here, we go to the mirror plane view. It's a really sharp angle. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the start profile condition and go to normal to profile. So as you can see here, we're on 1, and it's basically made a nice smooth join. So we can play around with this number and maybe make it 0.8. You can see it's less bulging. So just play around until you get a nice smooth yet aerodynamic shape. You can also go to the M profile condition as well if you want, and do the exact same thing, but it's not really aerodynamic in this case. So I'm going to turn it off. So this is alright for me. So I'm going to press the tick, and we're left with our body. So this is our body, and you can Thank you for watching, and remember to like this video and subscribe for more videos on F1 in schools, designing and graphic design.